So we start off today's video with someone who has a blonde bob haircut. Wow. So the stylist kind of created like a mullet style for this one. Beautiful baby bangs in the front. Such a modern and trendy hairstyle. I absolutely love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of modern haircuts and transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So you've been thinking of doing something new and innovative with your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, it looks like we're gonna see a color change. Wow, beautiful blonde hair transformation. She looks gorgeous. And then we see someone with maroon colored hair. Now this definitely falls into like that burgundy red hair color trend that we're seeing floating around. And she ended up getting a nice little shoulder length bob haircut. It's beautiful. And then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Wow, and she decided to shake things up with this shaggy bob or shaggy long layered style. And this one also features a nice pop of blonde in it as well. I love the coloring. Very pretty, gorgeous shape and texture. Next up, we have a blonde bob style. Now this one features more of a traditional shape and texture. And then we have a DIY hair color transformation. These are always my favorite to watch. So it looks like she's going in with some purple, doing a bit of that. Oh, it actually looks blue. Wow. So pretty. And then we have another haircut transformation. Beautiful shag pixie bob style. A lot of styling options with this one when it comes to the hair texture overall. She can really play around with her strands. And then we have someone getting some really pretty curly bangs. So bangs as a whole is a very popular hair trend for 2023. We're seeing many different variations with that. So many different ways that you can rock out bangs if you are curious. And if you are interested in seeing more about the baby bangs trend, you can check out my video that showcased some of the ways that we're seeing it. So here we have another shaggy haircut, and she's going to be showing us how to style this at home, which of course is a very important aspect if you do want to get this haircut yourself. In my personal opinion, there's a very thin line between a shaggy style and a modern mullet. It really just depends on how you style it and the actual cutting of it as well. So then we see someone with curly hair. Ooh, beautiful curly bob. I really like the fact that this one is on an angle. Really just showcases her curly strands, and the highlights mixed in are absolutely gorgeous. So pretty, and such a beautiful heatless carefree style that you can rock out during the summer season. So here we have another big chop transformation. She has long black waist-length hair. Stylist is adding in some bangs. Looks like more of a curtain style variation. Cutting it shorter, doing more of like a fringed bang look. Wow. Gorgeous hair change. And then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. And she switches things to this gorgeous lob haircut. Beautiful hair change. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.